हमें बताएंगे कि बोडोलैंड, जिस तरीके से असम में बोडोलैंड सेपरेट स्टेट की जो मांग की जा रही है, उस पर इनके क्या विचार हैं? स्टेट
Bodo people, they are having their own autonomous district council now. If they are demanding for a separate state from Assam, that is quite justified. It is quite justified because they are different people. They are differ from Assamese people culturally, linguistically. They are different. So the application, their demand, the Bodo people are different people. They are tribal people. They are different from Assamese people. At present, they are having Bodoland Autonomous District Council. If they are,
Why need the separate state?
if they are demanding
Bodoland.
separate state for their Bodoland, it is justified. I justify it. I accept it.
Give the message for the Bodoland peoples, Assam peoples.
Oh, to the Bodo people, I know your demand. I am supporting you. I am very much supporting you. I understand your demand also. We are having the same plight with some people earlier when Mizoram was district under some state. So your demand for the spread state is justified.
Uh, give the message, give the appeal for the government, in present government.
The present government, I think they should permit Bodoland to exist, Bodo state to exist.
Thank you.
Thank you.